Good morning, YouTube. Today, we're going to install a full iPE exhaust in the Ferrari F430 Turteria. If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan, and we are at the Howard, and this is the 430 Turteria, which is proudly owned by Daniel right here. We're going to polish this turd and make it awesome. So the next thing in the list of crap to do to this thing, because it's a lengthy list, is we're going to swap out the exhaust, partly because the headers are totally screwed on this car. They sound terrible. Anyway, so you know that 430s, pretty much all the headers die. Well, these ones are definitely dead. That kind of inspired just, you know what, let's gut the whole exhaust and put in something that screams and sounds amazing. So we had a discussion. We said, let's put in an iPE because, yeah, they sound really good. Here's all the stuff we're going to be putting in here today. And yeah, once we're all done, it's going to sound glorious, absolutely glorious. And because we already have the tune, once we have it done, it's actually going to be ready to rock and roll. We don't have to worry about getting tuned. It'll just be done. Okay, so there is the iPE exhaust. You can see it's got the X pipe, and it's also got a muffler. So when the valves are shut, it goes through the muffler, and it should be a lot quieter. We've got the wrapped headers, so the heat blankets on those should help control some of the heat, make it work a little bit nicer, not burn up any of the electronics in here. I don't think those are necessarily a requirement. They're a really, really good idea. So if you're getting headers on a 430, it's something to definitely consider. And of course we have the cat deletes and the tips, which are just polished stainless. All right, YouTube, I think we're ready to finally hear this iPE. So just a forewarning, it has heat blankets, so they are going to smoke, so don't worry. We'll make sure the valves work and all that stuff. Contact!
That's only 2,000. 3,000.
Jesus. That's nuts. There you go. Try that.
That's still pretty good.
Yeah,
sound.
it still sounds good. Get some smoke and some burning. Woo! Smells terrible. Smells like freedom. That's gnarly. Look, you can actually see the valves working. We were just saying, the sound with the valves closed and open is actually really good. We're very impressed. This is yes, this is good. Well, that's pretty badass. We were just giggling like schoolgirls. The only problem is we gotta get it retuned. I think the tune's a little bit too sensitive. It's kind of jumping. So yeah, it was going drip, 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 drip. But holy shit! Yeah, still burning in quite a bit. But holy shit, that sounds awesome.